3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, Parque de la Reina. Let's have a look around. Today we're in Parque de la Reina. We're about a 5, maybe, well, it's not even 10 minutes, it's probably 6 or 7 minute drive through to Los Cristianos, another couple of minutes on, then down to Las Americas if you want it. Going the other way on the motorway, you're probably talking about a 7 or 8 minute drive into the airport as well, although I must say you don't get the airplanes flying over us here, so that's a big bonus. Absolutely fantastic apartment we're going to look at. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, one of them's en suite as well in the main bedroom. Really nice separate kitchen there as well. And this property is going to be sold with pretty much everything you see in it. There are some personal items that will be taken away, but pretty much everything you see, the big things like the furniture and things like that, that's all going to be staying. So we're coming through the main door here, and there are a couple of steps. There's only 3 steps in this whole place. It's a ground floor apartment, and then we're straight into the kitchen. Nice modern kitchen, all these easy to wipe surfaces, nice modern handles here. This is only about 2 years old, this kitchen, so really nice. And as I say, totally out of the way, so got a door there as well, so totally independent. And then into the lounge. Nice area here for dining, and then straight out here we've got plenty of space for 2 sofas and a nice bit of furniture there for storing your bits and bobs, and the television. And then out here onto the terrace, well, it's an enclosed terrace, but it's a nice outside space, and we've got a window here as well. And although we're not saying it's a sea view, it does have a sea view. So back through the lounge, and then that's where the kitchen was. That's the main entrance there, and then into the hallway. So the hallway leads down to the 3 bedrooms. So we've got a double bedroom here, and fitted wardrobe. Turn right again. Another good size double bedroom, and the fitted wardrobe there. Back out to the hallway. We've got the master suite down here. A window and nice sized wardrobe. This is the ensuite, so we've got the ensuite here. We've got a bidet and a shower, or shower unit, and a shower head I should say, here, and the bath and the sink there. And then we've got the other bathroom here, which is obviously for use for the other two bedrooms. So that's our 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom apartment in Parque de la Reina, and it also comes with a parking space, which is really handy for here because it took me about 3 or 4 minutes to find a space there outside, and also a locked up storage room as well. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.